Okay, so we're going to go over number one. It said, read this dictionary entry. Which definition most closely matches the way the word proper is used in paragraph one? So the first thing that I need to do is highlight my keywords in the question. So I've already done that. Now it gives me a location, so I'm going to go up to paragraph one and find where it lists the word proper. So in the sentence, in the first sentence, it says, I had put the seventh pearl on the scales and was carefully setting the small copper weights to make them come to a proper balance when I heard father's steps outside the office. So I highlighted the word proper because that is the word that the question is asking for. So if we go back down to the question, it already gives us a dictionary entry. So we don't have to look the word up in a dictionary. So it gives us belonging to one, chiefly dialectical, very good, and then strictly accurate. So the technique that I would use is I'm going to take each of these answer choices and I'm going to replace them for the word proper in this sentence. So the first one, belonging to. So I would go up and I'd say, setting the small copper weights to make them come to a belonging to balance. So that doesn't make sense. He's talking about putting copper weights straight up or setting them in a way that they're balanced. So belonging to doesn't make sense. So we're going to cross that out and look at number two. Number two says chiefly dialectical. So I'm going to go back up and replace proper. So it says, I was carefully setting the small copper weights to make them come to a chiefly dialectical balance. Again, that doesn't make sense, so I'm just going to cross that one out. Number three says, very good. So I go back up and it says, I was carefully setting the small copper weights to make them come to a very good balance. Now, that does make sense, so I'm going to keep that one there. I'm not going to cross it out yet because when you are balancing something, it has to be balanced very good. So we'll keep that one as an answer. The last one says strictly accurate. So let's fill it in. It says, I was carefully setting the copper small weights to make them come to a strictly accurate balance. So now I'm thinking about weights and how they're balanced. If I want to balance something, I don't need them just balanced good. I need them balanced accurately so they don't fall over. So I think the best answer would be D, strictly accurate.